Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how can you make shareable MediaFire link. So let's start. Click on the link in the description and then download the MediaFire app. Click on the top circled icon. Select your file that you want to make link of. Wait for a second, scroll down. Here's your file. Hold your finger on your uploaded file, then click on the share icon on the top that is circled. Click on copy to clipboard. Now your uploaded file's link is copied to your clipboard. Let's check it out by pasting the link in your browser that we have copied. Let's check it out by downloading the file. Here's your file that is downloaded by link. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.